real-time intelligence using location polygon for retail. We all know that commerce has shifted dramatically over the years, from the mail order catalogs to e-commerce and now to mobile. Today's world can no longer be described as simple offline or online or mobile. It's actually a convergence of the physical and the digital. A lot of people call it phygital. Consumers are in stores, and within stores, they're searching online, whether on Google or Amazon, and then still potentially purchasing within the store itself. In spite of this, the retail industry faces a lot of last mile challenges. Due to the lack of in-the-moment consumer feedback, brands are facing a challenge knowing their in-store shopper experience, understanding the visual merchandising and brand visibility, and generally lack confidence in staff influence and recommendation to shoppers. And the primary reason for this is the existing inefficient methods of collecting user feedback. Face-to-face data collection through survey recruiters or brand promoters can lead to both high costs and high lead times to collect meaningful user feedback. This method has now been disrupted even further due to the pandemic situation. Contactless research is now table stakes for brands, and low footfall in stores coupled with inefficient face-to-face feedback mechanisms can lead to further last-mile challenges for retail brands. So the question remains, how do you deterministically capture in-the-moment feedback from the relevant audience? This is where brands have been leveraging InMobiPulse for collecting real-time intelligence using location polygons. Now, through the InMobi Exchange, we collect deep location data about our consumers, ranging from a minimum to a city level to a maximum of exact GPS lat long with 10-meter accuracy. Using this, we create multiple different user segments on the basis of where the user is or where the user has been in the last X number of days. These segments can then be targeted with a survey to collect direct consumer feedback. And that feedback is then combined with all the passive data that we already have about that particular user. And hence we create a holistic understanding of the in-store shopper. Is the staff knowledgeable enough, or is giving appropriate recommendations or not? Is my brand visible to the consumer? Is my brand activation turning out to be effective or not? How is the overall experience of the in-store shopper, both in my own store and also in that of my competitors? These are just some of the questions that can be answered using this methodology. To bring this to light, let's look at how Lenovo worked with us to solve for benchmarking their in-store shopper experience across multiple countries and store formats as well. Using the location polygon capability, Lenovo could target not just the consumers that were walking into their own exclusive outlet, but also those who were going to multi-branded and large retail format stores. And these are the stores where they had little to no control. They could then collect feedback from these users in real time and get a better understanding of multiple different parameters. Staff recommendation, promotional material within the store, demo products available, purchase intent of users walking into the store, and in general, the overall in-store experience. Thanks to the accuracy and scale that InMobiPulse brought to the table, Lenovo was able to benchmark their retail outlets across countries and with their competitor brands as well at 4x the speed as compared to traditional methods.